Welcome to Mafai Dharwad YouTube channel. As we know, beetroot is very good for health. So let's get started to prepare the spicy beetroot curry. Here I use pieces of 2 beetroots, clove and cinnamon, 1 green chili, curry leaves, fresh coconut, chopped onion, garam masala, cumin seeds, mustard, salt. I use a small jar to grind these all ingredients. Mixture is very fine. I heat the oil now. Let it be heat. Add cumin seeds, onion, fry properly. Fry properly till get golden color. Add the grinded mixture. Fry again. It's very correct now. Add turmeric, add chopped beetroots. Mix up very properly. Add salt for taste. Add garam masala. Fry little. Then add 1 cup of water. Let it be boil for 5 to 6 minutes. Now it is boiled very properly. If you want, add little sugar. And red chili powder. Then we get very good taste. Now it's very perfect. Serve it with chapati.